What's up everyone? This is a video that we've been super excited to film for you guys for a while now. Right here in front of me, I have a Katty Customs mystery box. It has 7 exclusive items. We have been fans of Katty Customs for a while now, and we're super happy to have this opportunity to work with her and show off what's in this mystery box. I haven't opened it yet. No one on the Soul Protector team has opened it yet because we want it to be the authentic reaction of what's in here. And we've been waiting for about a week now, so we're super excited to finally be able to open it. We'll have all the info for Katty Custom's social media, her website, in the link in the description, so make sure to check that out and show her some love. So, it's time to finally open it. Suspense is crazy. So we have the actual box. We have this second box, beautifully done, custom made, lid and everything. It's the attention to detail even on the box just shows the quality that Katty puts out, which is why we're such a big fan. So, first piece, got a nice hat here, the signature K on it, with the Katty Customs embroidery on the back. Got our second bag. Every single bag too has its own, has Katty's logo on it as well. It's like we got a shirt, again with Katty's logo. It's actually so impressive to see that the attention to detail, nothing was missed on this box. We have another jacket, the Katty logo on both sides. Stitching. Keep going. Got a pair of sweatpants here. The logo again. Down the pant leg. And on the back. Continuing on. We got a hoodie. Love conquers all. In hand, this is like, it's not cheap cotton shirts, like this is really good quality clothes. And we have a pair of gray shorts, pink and blue cap. And these are the custom shoes. Like, I think my reaction says it all. It is beautiful, like actually. And the quality for, you know, I think people a lot of times have a misconception on custom shoes that, you know, they might not match up to the real thing, but I would say that some of these materials are almost better. But yeah, this is very pleased with this whole mystery box. And again, thank you so much to Katty Customs for sending it. We will be doing an install video on these for Soul Protector, so look out for that soon. And again, all of Katty's socials will be in the description, so please check that out. Show her some love, tell her we sent you, and thank you for watching the video.